Would, that is the past form of will, can be used in many different ways. As you know, modal auxiliary verb session is going on. So in this session, I am going to explain you different uses of would. So the first use of would as the past form of will. As you must have noticed, in indirect speech, we often change will or shall into would or should. She asked her if she would like to join the party with her. I asked her if she would like to go with me. Next one, for making offers. It is very common use. What would you like to have in dinner? What would you like to have, tea or coffee? Then next one, for making formal request or informal request. Would you please tell me the way to hotel? Would you please pass me that salt please? Then next one, for showing preference. I would rather die than beg. I would prefer die to beg. यहाँ पर एक कॉमन ग्रामेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर है, जैसे लाइक वुड रैदर के साथ हमेशा देन का यूज़ होता है और प्रिफर के साथ हमेशा टू का यूज़ होता है. तो ये कॉमन मिस्टेक है जो कि अक्सर एग्जाम में आ जाती है, ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक. हमें ध्यान रखना है हमेशा प्रिफर और प्रिफरेबल के साथ हम टू का यूज़ करते हैं और वुड रैदर के साथ या हैड रैदर के साथ हमेशा हम देन का यूज़ करते हैं, THAN देन. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट वन, फॉर शोइंग डिटर्मिनेशन. आई वुड ऑलवेज बी विद यू कम वॉट मे. आई वुड नेवर लीव यू. देन कंडीशन इम्पॉसिबल. As you know, there are 4 kinds of conditions. So in fourth type of condition, condition impossible, in the second clause we always use would. If I were a magician, I would turn you into a rat. If I were a fairy, I would make everyone happy. Condition impossible में imaginative sentences आते हैं. condition impossible कौन सी कंडीशन होती है जिसमें ऐसे सेंटेंस होते हैं जो कि पूरी तरह से इमेजिनेटिव होते हैं, पूरी तरह से काल्पनिक होते हैं, जो कभी सच नहीं हो सकते. ओके, इफ़ यू विश टू लर्न अबाउट दोज कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस इन डिटेल, I have made one separate video on conditional sentences also and on imaginative sentences also. Okay, so if you wish to learn, you can go through the link, or I will provide you link, or you can search also. Okay, just write the topic and write down words of wisdom, you will find the topic. Okay, तो कंडीशन इम्पॉसिबल यानी इमेजिनेटिव सेंटेंसेस में भी हमेशा हम वुड का ही यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट वन, फॉर शोइंग एटीट्यूड. समटाइम्स फॉर शोइंग एटीट्यूड ऑल्सो वी यूज़ वुड. I would not listen to anyone now. You will see. She would show her attitude soon. Attitude. Okay. So in this way, the attitude also, for showing attitude also, we use would. Then the last one, with temporary habits. For showing temporary habits. When I lived in Agra, I would visit the Taj every day. I would visit the seaport each evening when I stayed in Mumbai. Habit शो करने के लिए normally use to का भी यूज़ होता है. But what is the difference between would and used to? When we have to show habits, what is the basic difference between the usage of these two words? I will explain you detail in my next part of the video of models. In the next part, means in the next section, I will soon make a video on the semi model used to. ओके, तो उसमें मैं आपको क्लियरली डिफरेंस समझाऊंगी कि इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. ठीक है. ओके, तो यहाँ पर अभी आपको ये समझना है कि सिर्फ टेम्पररी हैबिट के लिए वो भी पास्ट की टेम्पररी हैबिट हो उसको शो करने के लिए हमेशा हम वुड का यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. So these are some uses of modal auxiliary verb would. In my next session I will explain you the usage of semi-modal verb used to. Till then, go through the link given below. I have made one quiz for you. If you want to know how much you have learned from this session, you should practice that quiz, and with that quiz you will come to know that how much you have learned. Meet you soon with my next session. Till then, goodbye. Happy learning.